Good morning, everybody. So it's Saturday morning, and as part of your topic work this week, one of the options you have is to go for a nature walk around your local area to complete a photo collage of the things that you see. So I thought that I'd take you on a tour of my local park to help you, give you some ideas on the things that you can take photos of. So let's go and have a nice half an hour outside in the fresh air. Now, one of the many great things about living in Devon, and particularly down very close to Dartmoor, is that there are lots of green spaces, as I'm sure you're aware, that we are able to go and just access whenever we like. So there we are. Within 5 minutes of me walking from my house, I'm at my local park. Now, fun fact, this park is actually one that I used to play in when I was a child. I used to come cycling around here, I used to come running around here. This when I was a teenager. I used to come here with my cousin, I used to go and play in the park. So it's a bit of a nostalgia coming down here, and I'm quite excited to share it with you. So a little bit about what the task is. So whilst you're out on your walk, flippy, you can take literally a photo of anything that captures your eye. So maybe it's the hedgerow or the trees, or maybe you quite like the gravel, just to get a sense of where you've been for a walk. Okay? I wonder how many different frogs and animals live in that little pond. So I used to play poo sticks on this bridge, and to those of you who have read Winnie the Pooh, you might know what I'm talking about. Otherwise, if not, I will show you. So you get yourself a stick, and then whoever you're with, I'm not with anyone today, so I was just doing it for fun, but you drop your stick over the bridge, and then it's the first stick to reappear on the other side that wins. Very exciting. Have a go. Something I've just noticed, there's been so much rain. The river normally goes down this waterfall, but it's actually created its own little tributary and making its own little path down, and then rejoining the little brook somewhere. So it's gone and created its own path, which I've never seen before. So a little bit of history, which maybe when you finish your walk, maybe you can find out something about your walk you've been on. But this part of the brook, so this is all man-made, because this used to flow in down to a mill, which I will show you when we get there. And there's a farm, old farm, and I kind of find this kind of history quite cool, that I used to play here as a kid, but actually there's lots of history before I even came here. You can even see the stones under the water. Is where they made it, so it flowed where they wanted it to. What an amazing tree. Look at all the oh, would you call them branches? They're very cool. Definitely worth a photo. Hey, look at these guys. Now these weren't here when I was small. This is a new addition. Aren't they funky? Hello, Mr. Frog or Toad. Can you tell the difference? Definitely going to get a picture of this guy. So I believe this is where the old mill used to be, but it's now owned by South West Water, and you can't actually access any of it now. But you can see where the brook goes down, and it goes through this dam, which I think is part of the flood defence to stop timber flooding, and it goes down back down there, and I think you can see a farmhouse just in the distance. And there's the play park. They've actually changed it since I was small. But let's go and have a look anyway. Oh, heavy gate. That was nearly a slip. Now, parks are open during this second lockdown, but I would encourage you that if there's other people already in the play park, then to either keep your distance or to come back later when there's less people here. As you can see, there's no people in the park today, so I'm going to play on the swing. Whee! So that, guys, was my local park walk. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed coming along for the morning. I'm heading back home now so that I can put my photos onto my laptop to create a collage on my laptop, or you can do it on an iPad if you have a tablet, or if you prefer, you can print off the pictures and stick them onto something else instead. Before I get there though, have to walk up quite a steep hill, so I'll see you back at home. Bye.